Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to export Excel data into a web page. If you want to export your Excel data into a web page, you'll need to save your file as a CSV. Start by opening the worksheet you want to export, or create some test data. We've got a table containing a list of names and grades. If you're using Excel for Windows, go to File and Save As. Since we're using a Mac, we can click the Save As icon at the top. Now select your save location. And choose to save the file as a CSV. Hit Save to finish. Now that we've downloaded a CSV version of our Excel file, we can head over to the link in the description. If you want to download a local copy, click the three dots in the top right for Chrome browsers. Then head down to More Tools. And select Save Page As, from the menu. Now select the save location. Then hit Save to download the web page. Alternatively, you can right-click the web page and select Save As. Or you could even select View Page Source. That will allow you to select and copy the code. Once copied, be sure to paste it into a text editor, and save the file as a .html. When you're done, click the Choose File button in the CSV Reader. Select the CSV file that you just saved, and click Open. Then hit Load. That's it. Your Excel data has been successfully imported into a web page. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and you'll be helping us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.